Don't forget the rice. Rice is life. Rice in the Philippines, rice is life. So, my friend here is saying chicken liver is one of my favorites. So, I'm still going. So, we're having too much food, and I'm gonna tell you the truth. All this food is very important when I'm eating my food in the Philippines. Very, very important. So, I just want to welcome you guys here in Legazpi. One of the interesting things I'm gonna do, I will go to a restaurant. They have a food park right there. But before I go, you can't miss all these people here. They wear beautiful orange color. But I will show you the other side. They have the pink. So it's gonna be really good. But first, let's go eat food. The food park, I forgot the name. What's the name of the food park here?
You call that EPA.
EPA?
EPA Street.
EPA Street. Time to eat now. I'm gonna get this because I love greens. Anything looks like greens, I will go. And I'm getting that chicken. And yeah. And this is a chicken curry, right?
Yes.
And this, how you call this again? Tell me how you call that. The green one. Vegetable.
The green one, vegetable, malunggay.
Malunggay.
Yes,
Okay.
it's moringa.
Oh, moringa.
Yes.
And this I got this already. And what is this for? It's chicken. Will that be adobo? And this one you call it what?
This one, kalabasa.
It's raining like crazy in a food park here in Legazpi. Look at this. But that will not stop us from eating because we're gonna go to that place there. They have a really variety of food. This is where I had the bulalo, but I didn't have my camera. I think I will have bulalo again. What time you open tomorrow? 24 hours? Oh my goodness. So they open 24 hours. So tomorrow I can have breakfast, bulalo breakfast. So tomorrow I'm having bulalo breakfast. But look at this place here. This is where we're having food, sir. Look at this place, guys. Look at this place. Look what they have. Look what they have here. Look what they have. Order, my friends. I think I'm gonna try that little fish. Yeah, I wanna try that. Looks beautiful. Oh my goodness. I just have that those little.
Eggplant.
This is eggplant and then.
Eggplant. Fish, kind of fish.
Yeah, the small fish.
Okay.
I just have that.
Spicy.
Spicy?
Okay.
Oh, I love spicy. Yeah. And what is
Pakbet,
this?
santol.
This?
Cotton fruit. Vegetable.
Vegetables? What is
Corn
this?
pakbet.
Oh.
Pakbet.
Can I try?
Sari.
Sari?
Mixed vegetable.
No meat.
Red meat.
There is meat?
Pork.
Pork? Okay. So that one has pork. Not too much bones. Yeah. Wow, that's beautiful. And I'm gonna get chicken adobo.
Chicken adobo.
And you will not miss this place because after you enter here, that is the street there, and you have like a Pacific Mall somewhere there here in Legazpi. And then you just come inside, you will see them here.
Tarda sila.
Mane there. What they call it, I think.
50. Ay, sabaw? Gana. Kulang.
Peanut, yeah, mane. That's delicious. Your turn to order.
Oh, it's okay.
No. That's mine. Order yours.
Ikaw man da.
Order din na tayo. Ulam natin.
Yeah, order yours, my friend.
Okay, na duman kuya.
Kanya daw yun.
Ay, kanya da ito.
Ayan.
And you call that again?
Rabot, tungol.
Okay.
Shell.
May bali dalawa lang yun.
And
Yung tungol, yung shell, tahong.
what is that?
Tahong.
Shell.
Shell.
Si shell.
Bicol silog.
Kami.
Tayo pakwenta na ako diretso sa inyo. Tara mo sa atin. Pa-serve na ako
You
kay
are a
ni
big
Duman.
guy. No, get food.
Pa-serve na ako kay ni Duman. Tapos pakwenta na ito Duman.
Sabi ni Fred, dagdagan pa lang natin.
Don't forget rice. Rice is life.
Yan. Ito liver.
Ano pa?
Liver is beautiful.
Ito tayo ng liver guys.
Bicol silog man.
Ito pa tayo.
Chicken. Paluto.
I met this guy. Very nice guy. I met him on the street. So here is good more than Manila. Here good.
Yeah. But the salary very low. The rate.
Here.
Yes.
Sige,
And then
kwentahan
we
mo na lang
became
Duman sa
connected
inyo.
here in Legazpi. I was
I-serve na lang
coming
po.
from Victory Village. So we're having too much food, and I'm gonna tell you the truth. All this food is less than 1,000 peso, which is $20, and you have different types. I don't remember some of them, the names, but I don't know what I'm gonna start with. Probably chicken adobo. This is chicken adobo. No, it's not chicken adobo. Oh my goodness, but it's delicious. From this, they told me that it's organ from the cow, from beef. And you can taste coconut in it. And of course, there is a fish. But most of all, this is moringa. And I wanted to try this. When I see green, I don't pass. I don't pass for green. So I want to do this too. Oh, very, very leafy, tasty. You're eating without guiltiness. This one. I still have the chicken bones. And this is what they call the inasa. And you know there is rice there. Rice in the Philippines, rice is life. And everything you eat, don't forget to eat the rice. Otherwise, not really good. Some of this food, I have them in my video I took, so I don't remember the name, but I will put in the video. Because when I was ordering, they were telling me, like this one. It's a chicken. So delicious, very, very delicious. And I can tell you how much it is, how delicious it is, unless you test it. And this one is called the calabash because of this. You know, in French they call it calabash as well. And they put in it a little bit of a chicken. This, oops, I just forgot. I'll just put it on the side with a fish. Great. This is very important when I'm eating my food in the Philippines. Very, very important. Those who are watching there, relax. It's so delicious when you're eating them with your food. Remain small here. I'm gonna finish it with my fish. I gotta get this, and this I think is a tuna, like a baby tuna. And this, I think the last one. So I'm gonna put the bill, the number, the actual number. You're gonna be surprised how much this delicious food costs. Very healthy. I forgot one, chicken liver. This is chicken liver. I don't know if I can say it. I didn't taste this yet, but I can now. Tender. It's a barbecue. They're doing it right there. So tender, soft. tasty. You can taste the actual charcoal, not like the grill, but it's just amazing. Yeah, the chicken will go there. And the quarter leg is 100 pesos. Free Java rice.
Ang ganyan po sausage.
I've been seeing they talking about this Java rice. It's a rice that is a little bit like a yellow, and it's there. They put some corn in it. It's amazing. Yeah, I have some there. I ordered here. Yeah, this is the price here. You cook?
Yes,
You?
I cook. You eat?
Oh, they're cooking there. Now you see they have the barbecue right there.
What's
So
your content? What's your content? Can you
kindness. You see they're cooking it right here. And you have a fresh.
This is very delicious.
I can imagine. Yeah, I think someone ordered. No, someone came here. We're sitting there. Someone bought here. Yeah. You tried it too? Yeah, you tried it with the calamansi. 99 and you have free rice.
Chicken oil with free rice.
And in the Philippines, rice is life. So you don't have rice, you no life. Wow, that's really cool. Okay. 99. Free soup is like a beef broth. You can see how. Look. It's not just a broth. I think they put some seasoning in it. Life. You will not be mistaken in the Philippines to say that this is life because it's rice. So. My friend here is saying that is full. Me too. I'm super full. I don't know how to say that. The stomach is just full. Not finished because we couldn't finish. It was too much. It was too much. You know what's amazing is that we couldn't finish even rice, which is amazing. Rice is life. We couldn't finish, but really good.